Hey there, and welcome back to another lesson in our serverless computing journey. Today, we're talking about a powerful duo that's at the heart of many modern cloud applications, API Gateway and AWS Lambda. So, how do they work together? Why are they so popular? Let's break it all down. Let's start with API Gateway. Imagine you've built a great backend system, but now you need a way for users, apps, or even other services to talk to it. That's where API Gateway comes in. Think of it like a front door to your backend, the traffic controller, the gatekeeper, and even the security guard. Whenever someone wants to fetch data, update a record, or trigger an action, it all goes through API Gateway. You define your APIs there. What endpoints should exist? Which methods should they support, like get, post, or delete? And what happens when each one is called? Now, why is API Gateway such a big deal? Let's look at some of its key benefits. Centralized access. One single entry point for all your backend services. Security. Built-in support for authentication and authorization. Scalability. Handles thousands of API requests per second. Traffic management. Control the flow of incoming requests. Monitoring and analytics. Get insights into performance and usage. Request transformation. Adapt requests and responses easily. Versioning. Manage different versions of your API smoothly. It's powerful, flexible, and built for the cloud. So how does API Gateway connect with Lambda? Here's how it works, step by step. A user or system sends a request, maybe by submitting a form or calling an API from a mobile app. API Gateway receives that request and triggers a Lambda function. Lambda runs your code, perhaps querying DynamoDB, validating input, or returning a custom response. The result goes back to API Gateway. And finally, the response is returned to the user. All of this happens in milliseconds, without you managing any servers. Now you might be wondering, why is this combo so popular? Simple, it's the perfect fit for modern cloud-native development. Let's run through the benefits of using API Gateway plus Lambda together. Scalability, handles massive traffic automatically. Security, supports throttling, authentication, and usage plans. Simplicity, no infrastructure to manage. Cost efficiency, you only pay when your code runs. Speed, build and deploy fast using APIs and functions. It's clean, efficient, and built for the way we develop today. You'll find API Gateway and Lambda powering all sorts of real-world applications like RESTful APIs, webhooks, mobile and IoT backends, microservices architectures, ETL processes, and automation tools. Anywhere you need a lightweight, scalable, on-demand backend, this combo shines. And that's a wrap on AWS API Gateway and its powerful integration with Lambda. Together, they form a rock-solid foundation for building fast, scalable, and cost-effective serverless applications in the cloud. In the next lesson, we'll explore serverless database solutions and take another step forward in your serverless journey. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.